Hello, welcome. I'm Sweet Heavenly Dove, and I have this Dollar Tree haul for you. But it's been a while since I did a voiceover. It's been a while since I did a Dollar Tree video, but here I am. Let's get started. We have these spacer beads in the different colors and design. Great craft projects. Look at those colors, that pink, yellow, blue, lavender. Awesome, fine. And then we have these diamond painted bookmarks. If you're a bookmarker, if you are a reader, this is great to have for yourself, your children, or even if you're a crafter, what is it called? A journal, junk journal. Be great to put these in as well. It's dual functioning. Then these are back. These Resin Studios, the mica powder, they're back. So you can use these for all kinds of things. Crafts, cards, all different types of items. Then we have this pomaler clay. And it has these different colors. This is all the colors that they had left at my Dollar Tree. Not very many. See, the pack was full, but there's a few colors left. So enjoy. And then we have these great little pots, not pots, little containers. What are these? You can decorate them. Decor. Yes, awesome. Then we have these cute little sticky note sets. Great in time for school. Be right back. The star, a spaceship. There are 90 sheets. Then if you're traveling, shower travel kits and these wonderful colors. We have the orange, yellow, I think it's green and blue. I know blue, maybe not green, but we do have a blue. We have items for our face. We have a gentle face scrub, the glitzy lemon. Ooh, and then we have the face toner, the jelly face wash, and the red one, which is completely out of, is the cleansing toner pads. And they were completely out. There were no pads. So that's what you see. You still can get 3 out of 4. We have 2 of the body and face serum. We have the vitamin C plus the hyaluronic acid. And we have the tea tree oil with collagen acid. Those look so cute, so adorable. The pink and white and pink and purple. Let me know if you find them. We have 4 of the Via Natural oils. We have the tea tree, the vitamin E, black castor, and coconut oil. Look at those. Plenty of them for you to find whatever one you need, or get one of each and combine them. We have extra sticky. These are the lint roller refills. First time I'm seeing the refills that they have. And then they have the scarring scrub. Not scrub. Well, it's not scrub. It's scarring sponge. This is it's not new. It's been around. And then we have these, the Popup Trash bin. I showed you some time ago the yellow ones. And now my store finally got the green ones, the recyclable ones. They're all the same. They just the same bin, but different colors. The yellow, green, and some people have found the blue ones. Another item that's been around, the reusable sandwich bags. They are back again. Can you believe it? Yes, they are back again. We have these mini seamless glasses. It comes in a pack of 6. Great if you're coming up on a party celebration. I know it's August, but the holidays will be here around the corner. Then we have these Velcro hook tape strips. It's a pack of 10. So whatever you need it for a picture hanging or anything that needs a Velcro hook. Then we have this Onyx Tape. It's 1 pack. It's 3 feet. I believe it's double-sided. Yes, it is. I wonder it's kind of like that space tape, but in black. These are the remote sleeves and the highlighter, not highlighter, the glow in the dark. My son calls it highlighter. They have the green and pink. My Dollar Tree is just now getting them. And we have these awesome different book selections for all different types of readers. And so I just thought I would show you some of the books that they have in stock on this trip. See, there's plenty. The Time of Your Life. Let's Get Physical. And Blaze Me a Sun. Just a few. Yes, now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. I will be showing you maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 Dollar Plus items. Enjoy! And last but not least, we have the straw bale. I know several years ago, Walmart had these. And I see Dollar Tree has them as well. It's been a while. And what I'm going to say before we go, thank you so much for watching. Your support. Please bring me back your support. I know I've been away for some time and I am back. Hopefully for good. Yes, I would love to see your support. Don't forget, like I always say, until next time, be blessed. Until next time. See, it's been so long I've messed up, but it's okay. You understand. Take care.